International Center for Theoretical Physics, an international institution which is based in Trieste and with a mandate. The mandate is to support science and scientists in developing countries. And in particular, our little group, which is Science Dissemination Group, has the goal of disseminating science throughout the world. In particular, we have recently created a new activity which is called Scientific Fabrication Laboratory, which is a laboratory open to the community.
The ICTP Scientific Fab Lab is first of all a Fab Lab, digital fabrication laboratory. I mean, it's a place where you can enter with an idea and after a few hours or few days or months, you will get the product, the final physical product of your idea realized in your hand. So we offer facilities like 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC machines, and prototyping for microprocessor systems like Arduino, Raspberry, and others. Everything that a standard normal Fab Lab will offer to everyone in the world. We are part of the international network of Fab Labs, but we have one more, let's say, specific focus, that is on science and education. This is why we have been called ourselves Scientific Fab Lab. We are open to the general public, so we won't like to contaminate the research environment of our institution with inputs and experiences from makers, from the local community of creative people, inventors. We want to enjoy the sharing of knowledge among scientists and creative people.
Concepts like open technology and open innovation, which are the base of scientific fab labs and makerspaces, are very closely related to open science, open research, and open education, which are paradigms that the Sci-GaIA project is really committed to foster. And also the concept of reproducibility and reusability matter for fab labs, data, and products the same way they do for scientific data, software, and publications. The possibility to uniquely cite and find and discover models and be able to identify the authors of this model is very important, as the same importance of scientific data.
I'm happy to be with one foot in each camp of the Sci-GaIA project and one of its communities of practice, represented by the Vimea ICT project, which is a NORAD-funded project to raise capacity regarding collecting weather data and other environment data and making weather forecasts and disseminate that to the end users. So I represent a community of practice of the Sci-GaIA project and sort of prompting them to use the tools developed there. And I find them very useful. It's a starting effort to get everyone involved, but it seems as if it's picking up. I also, on the Vimea ICT project side, is involved in designing a hopefully affordable weather station, and I have been using 3D printing as one of the tools.
Fab Lab usually have internet access, so in principle, along with e-infrastructures, with electronic infrastructures, new kind of infrastructures, the so-called F infrastructures, what F of course stands for Fab Labs, could be created, and information schema and other tools and services developed for this kind of infrastructures can be reused in this context and support this community.